This is Yu Young channel. Today, Yu Young brings you a robot transforming toy. This is the four-faced Kenthian Chu transforming robot. Oh, this Kenthian Chu, the original design was a heavy-duty truck the truck had. Oh, when designing it, it's basically the same as Kenthian Chu. It means Yu Young made the original four-faced Kenthian Chu transforming robot a basic part of Kenthian Chu. Its structure is almost the same, but the truck head was redesigned. So, looking from the front, it's completely reproduced the flow of the original truck head. Looking from the back, you can actually see a bit of the head of the Kenthian Chu transforming robot. If you like Yu Young's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's the biggest support for Yu Young. If you have anything you want to see, you can leave a message in the comments section or in the discussion section. Yu Young will try to make it. Okay, let's start transforming.